My name is Sylvester Pecinovsky, born and raised in Iowa. Went to the military in '67. They put me into the Corps of Engineers, and that's where I started learning cranes. Basically, I was stationed in Thailand, but then we went over to Laos and Cambodia. Now I'm running that 350-ton crane, setting those big girders, as you see. They're 121 feet long, 7.5 feet high, and they're roughly about 4 feet wide. Total weight, about 180,000. 50 years now. It doesn't seem that long. Seems like it's like yesterday. I just love construction. I love cranes. I can't ask for anything better. And they're my babies. I can't walk away from my baby.